If you are planning on buying a home using a home loan, then these 3 tips will help you get prepared for the financing process. 1. Reduce debt. Lenders generally look for a debt load of no more than 36% of income. This figure includes your mortgage, which typically ranges between 25 and 28% of your net household income. So you need to get monthly payments on the rest of your installment debt, which are things like car loans, student loans, and revolving balances on credit cards, down to 80 and 10% of your net monthly income. 2. Save for a down payment. Designate a certain amount of money each month to put away in your savings account. Although it's possible to get a mortgage with 5% or less, you can usually get a better rate if you put down a larger percentage of the total purchase. Aim for a 20% down payment if you can. Also, don't forget to factor in closing costs, which can average between 2 and 7% of the home price. 3. Obtain a copy of your credit report and establish a good credit history. Make sure it's accurate and correct any errors immediately. A credit report provides a history of your credit, bad debts, and any late payments. So get a credit card and make payments by the due date. Do the same for all of your other bills too. Pay off entire balances as promptly as possible. And as always, if you have any questions about the home buying process, please call, text, or email us today.